Today we're going to be looking at the Conmed Excaliber Plus Electrocautery unit. We're going to be testing it for simultaneous monopolar coagulation. We're also going to be testing this unit to make sure that you cannot activate the foot pedal while activating both handpiece active outputs. Okay, so we have the foot pedal output hooked up to the multimeter on the top of the unit today. And we have two standard electrocautery power output analyzers here to measure the power out. So we're going to start with 100 watts dialed into coag today. And I'm going to start by activating Surgeon 1's pencil at 100 watts. You're going to notice that we basically have power delivered at about 91 watts here, which is within tolerance. Now, should we have two surgeons using active outputs like this is what happens. You have roughly a 50% split in the output of the power, as you can see on both of these output analyzers here. If one surgeon, that's the split that we talk about, if one surgeon deactivates his handpiece, like Surgeon 1 just did, the entire 100 watts ends up shifting over to Surgeon 2. This is what's known as the power shift. This is where we find that there could be potential patient safety issues here. Again, we're going to start by showing you the shift. Surgeon 1 starts to use the electrocautery unit at 100 watts. Surgeon 2 decides to use his pencil. The power is split between the two outputs here because what we've done is we basically formed a series combination parallel circuit by this second handpiece here. Again, you can see how it splits the power. Now the danger of the shift comes in when a surgeon deactivates. All this power that was over here, roughly half of it, shifts back over to here. And that's a substantial amount of power to be shifting from one pencil to the other. Now we have Surgeon 1 who's going to activate again. The power gets split. Surgeon 2 decides to unactivate. Now we have the shift. All the power goes back over to surgeon number 1, roughly 94 watts. As we look at this unit, we also notice that there's an active output on the foot pedal. And so we're going to activate both handpieces right now. And at the same time, we're going to go ahead and activate that monopolar foot pedal. And we're going to see if you can get 3 active outputs out of this unit right now. Beautiful, beautiful. There appears to be an interlock that is shutting down the unit as you activate, just like this. Our pencils now have no power on them. Now as you continue to activate the foot pedal, as you can see, it will activate independently. We like that. That's a very safe feature. There's interlock between active handpiece outputs and also the foot pedal, but there is not between both of the active handpiece outputs here. And this is the problem we're looking at, the simultaneous monopolar coagulation power shift and power split. We'd like to thank you for being with us today and looking at this unit. Thank you.